Hi, I am Dr.S.P.SARANYA, Assistant Professor in the Department of Commerce with Computer Application, working at Dr. SNSRCAS College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about the how Python getting started. So I deliver a simple guidance of how to install Python and setting up a development environment and writing our first Python program. So this session includes these things. So first install a Python. First download and install Python from the official website. You make sure to choose the appropriate version for your operating system. Operating system either you have Windows XP, Windows 13, and Windows 3, etc. So many PCs and Macs will have Python already installed. So you check if your Python have installed on a Windows PC. Search in the start bar for Python or run on the following on the command line, that is cmd.exe. Exe means extensions, and then setting up a development environment. You can write Python code in any text editor, but using an integrated development environment, that is IDE, it can enhance your experience. Popular choices include PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, and Jupyter Notebook. And then writing your first Python program, that is open a text editor or IDE. I already told IDE means integrated development environment. It's used for enhance your experience. So it creates a new file with a .py extension. For example, hello.py. It can use py means that is Python. Write your Python code in this file. A simple hello world programs look like a hello world within double quotes. uh, Before that it include print, and then running your Python program. Open a command prompt or terminal and navigate to a directory where your Python is file is saved and type python hello.py. This will execute your Python program and you should see output, that is what we give the input, that is hello world. So it printed the console. And then learning Python basics. So start by learning the fundamental concepts of Python, such as variables, data types, operators, control flow. Control flow means it's if statements, loop functions, and data structures. So data structure include list, tuples, dictionaries, and then practice. So it include practice. The best way to learn Python is by practicing. There are plenty of online platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and Code Academy where you can solve coding challenges, and then to check Python, improve your skills, and then explore Python libraries. So Python has vast ecosystems of libraries and frameworks for various purposes such as data analysis, NumPy, pandas, and machine learning and web development and more. Once you are comfortable with the basics, explore these libraries to see how you can leverage them in your projects. So these things are we have to follow the install Python. So first step, install Python, setting up a development environment, and then writing a first Python program and running a Python program. And then before that we have to learn the Python basics and explore the Python libraries. And Python extensive standard library and the third-party packages make it suitable for a wide range of applications. It takes some time to explore different libraries and see how they can be used to solve real-world problems. It's reading to the documentation and experimenting with the code examples will help you understand how to use these library effectively. So it's essential for mastering and programming language. Start with simple exercises and gradually move on to more complex problems as you become more comfortable with the language. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. There are many resources available learning Python, including tutorials, documentation, and books. Its official Python documentation is docs.python.org. It's an excellent starting point, along with online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and EDX. So I hope this session will very useful for you. Thank you so much.